We're just gonna take out the bolts. Left, right. Oh, I'm so scared to do this. That's loose. That's loose. That one. Seeing that tight. Oh, that one was good. This. It sucks I didn't get the piece from the wiring harness for me. I gotta wait next week to do it. So this is this. I gotta be careful that I don't lose that. The wiring harness. The ground. See, I almost lost it. So that's loose, that's loose. I think this one's in the back. I gotta move this out the way. Like it's in the fair. Oh, right there. I got some zip ties. Pass me some zip ties. We're gonna zip tie the wiring harness up. Right on the charge pipe. Right here. Out the way. Oop, upside down. Just cut it out. Cut it there. So I don't want to damage this. I'll damage this and that's it. Of how to take it off and how to put it back on and how to put the gasket on. I even bought the special like sealant for the gasket. Yo, but it's gonna look nice after I paint it. Don't see the color because it's a surprise. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like, at least you're a how-to video, not a how to scam children video.
Right. Link in the description below for Mikey's video about that topic.
No, there's a guy who's hilarious.
That's one. There we go. But there's no other book here. Okay, let's see. No, it's just that one. This one. This hose off. You should have saw when I replaced this hose. The original one had a big gigantic hole in it and oil was leaking out of it. So I just made my own one. You'll start. Pull this out from the bottom first. And then from the top.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh, see this oil? Because that's like, it brings the oil out and brings it down somewhere. I don't know how it works. But it has something called an oil catch can that it catches the oil, so it doesn't go back into your engine. Or does it go in your intake and it catches it, and all you do, you empty out the can.
Where is the can?
Back. No, it's a modification.
Oh.
It's a mod that people do. I was looking into it because I was thinking about doing it. This is good for the engine. Keeps it clean. I hope that when I take this off, I see good stuff. Like clean and no gunk.
We can only hope the mystery will solve itself. It's obstructing my view of what's happening.
Just remember that goes there.
Giggity goo. Oh.
Oh, the middle ones. Oh, it's still tight. Yeah.
Oh. Got some movement.
Here?
Got some movement.
Did we get some movement? Did it move?
It looked like it moved. It jiggled.
Did it? No.
It wiggled. It looked like it wiggled. Maybe it might have jiggled instead of wiggled.
I gotta try to figure out how I'm gonna break it open. There we go.
Treasure. We did it, Goonies. We're in.
The rubber seal doesn't.
Goonies never say die.
Oh, that came out pretty easy.
Oh no.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, it's it. It's broken.
Stop it.
That's the catchphrase.
It's broken.
It's broken. Just say in the video in the background voice is like. And this is where we stopped the video because everything just blew up in our faces. The cameraman died 5 feet away. Can you maneuver it out of the
I
way?
need you to help me.
Oh!
This thing?
Introducing my hand.
Kind of like twist it. Hold it up so I can.
Go. We're wiggling and jiggling.
Oh, this right here. Hold on, let go.
I have
This.
no gloves.
This is blocking. Yeah, hold that one back.
Does it go down?
And then push just one.
Alright.
Just not too hard, just enough so that it clears a little bit. Just watch your finger.
This is gonna hurt. I can feel it. Where's the
What's
hold?
that sound? It's hitting
It's
this.
holding. Oh,
This is hitting.
this thing right here. There's a little thing here.
With the spoke. That's almost out.
Yeah.
That's pretty much out on this side.
There's something
Yeah.
holding it.
The front is this. There we go.
And wow!
Actually pretty
Oh,
clean.
Zamzaddy!
Now,
Zam- It looks nice. It's not
Let's see,
dirty.
any wiggles?
It's pretty good.
No, there's no wiggles at
Good.
all.
It's pretty fresh.
And original audio sound. That's original. That's actually pretty good. Let's see under here. That's actually clean. I'm just going to remove the spark plug gasket. Which I still got the spark plugs inside. I gotta check them before I start the car again. And I saw a video, some guy was using brake cleaner and he was spraying it all over this. But they said safe. It is safe to use brake part cleaner to clean it and it doesn't mess up with the oil or anything.
That's what I used when I dented that thing, remember?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't dent
Oh, no, but that's, that's on the outside of the car. That's not like this is engine,
it.
you know?
The how's it? Audi parts?
Yeah, because it's Audi Volkswagen.
Yeah.
I think is Audi the main brand or Volkswagen is the main brand?
I think Audi is the luxury brand off.
Yeah.
It's like Nissan, and then you have Infinity.
So we also got that middle. Put the spray a little bit.
Let's do it!
Let's see, is it gonna stick?
I wasn't camera ready.
The camera ready now. Is it working? Yeah, we're gonna get this cleaned up. We'll be right back as soon as it's done. Do it. This is some dirty marks. I hope it just covers it up.
Might as well go on that one. When it dries up. It's almost dry.
The wind is freaking blowing. Now this you go pops right out. We need to clean this. It's disgusting. Okay, screwdriver again. Take this bracket. This has been changed before because it's supposed to have these type of brackets. The one-time use ones. So someone done this. It wasn't me.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Before my time. Okay. I don't even know how I should go about taking it out. See, this one has that one-time bracket over here. This one too. No, this one has a regular one. Now, do I have this curved one? I got that one.
Yeah, you got that. Looks like it's a button.
No.
Oh no. How does it turn?
Okay, let's see. I got more. No. No. Yeah, this is definitely
That's
something.
definitely not it. Well, at least you can change those.
You sure it's not this? This kind of looks like that.
It
one.
looks like it, but it's why is it turned the other way?
Because
that
it's probably
one
loose.
goes-
See, look.
Oh, it's a rubbery.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I think that's it.
It looks like it.
I can even go this.
I
Oh,
think
there
that
we go.
way it goes
There
that
we
way,
go.
Yeah.
And then this is just bent that way. All right.
Eureka.
Oy. So I know I can just twist this, and even if it breaks, it's
How
not
you gonna
going.
take it out of there?
Huh?
How you gonna take it out of there?
It's a screwdriver.
No, not this one.
Huh? It's supposed to pop right out.
Be careful. Oh, the ring.
There's the O-ring. They gave me a new one, so I need to, and they gave me a new clip. Let me get that way. Oh, that's deep engine stuff. I don't even know how that's supposed to look, but hold this, please. Sorry.
Apple.
Something here. Oh, look, it broke. See, that was busted. Look at that. Another air leak. Another vacuum leak. Shattered. Dreams and hopes. Down the drain. I'm gonna toss that right there. I'm gonna grab myself another rag. Good thing I found that piece before I started cleaning. I finally get to do this. I've been waiting so long to get these pipes changed. I forgot I didn't do it last time because I didn't have them. I'm going to need just a screwdriver.
Apple.
Screwdriver just to break it. Wow, that
That was old.
that came off way too easy. One-time use brackets. That's factory, and no one changed that. And back here's a metal pipe, so I don't need to worry about that. I just gotta. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know. Just whoa. What the heck is this?
Is that a piece of
That's
glass?
a piece of plastic.
That's probably from.
That's
what it
from the
was.
other piece.
Yeah, it's probably from the other stuff.
Look at that. Show them inside. Zoom in. Get closer.
Jesus.
All of that gunk clogging up my engine. Look at that. The piece of plastic. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That piece of plastic right here was in that.
Jesus. Hey, Soups. You just had a razor to cut that shit.
I think I do.
Look, just cut that piece off.
Just to break it.
Go.
There.
Yeah.
Jeez,
back.
man.
Still on there. The plastic's still on there.
Oh, nice. See
You want
that?
to zoom in?
Oh, that's rubber.
Yes, side guys. This is gross.
Let me get the brake fluid
Gentlemen,
thing.
this looks like poop. I don't wanna. Oh, this looks so good. This one looks really good. I mean, that one was black.
Because here's going to be the wiring, so you're not going to see it. And then we'll have the red plate here. But the front is this.
Trash. This looks really nice.
I mean, this is just double coverage. This I don't even need to do it here. But I'm going to do the last one here. That's cool.
You should do the little corner right here since it's already done.
That's coming right out of here. I should just. Hey! Sorry.
Thank you. It's my breakfast.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. Hey.
That looks great. Who would have thought of that though?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's clean. Smoking. Smoking. So that's the lower manifold. New piece,
There we go.
O-ring, and a new clip. Right. Good thing they gave the new clip. So this goes in, like, I think. Yep, in. So, you guys get the part. You gotta put this piece here. Yeah, here we go. Put this here, and this makes the connection for this one, And this goes, oh, snuggles in here. And then we connect this one in here and then in there. So it'll be like this. And this one goes up to the pipe was there.
Is that this one?
It's the one I took off. Yeah, I gotta get a brighter color screwdriver because I keep losing.
It's right there.
Now I saw this online, so I know what to get. But it didn't come in here, which it should have. So that goes there. I'm just gonna put some tape over that just to hold it until I get a new part. But I should have brackets. So I need a bracket for this one. The bottom ones have brackets on it?
What?
Oh, it was just pushed in. This one. Oh yeah, it was brackets because it's rubber. Shiny. So this one also needs one on top, right? This needs